I think it's very beneficial for your racking system to have a super power strip like this, because it's just gonna provide better wire management. What's up, guys? I went ahead and filled the aquariums and I didn't do any filming, but 240 gallons is in, and I went out and got this super power strip. I got it at Harbor Freight. It's like 4 feet with 12 outlets. So I'm gonna run it in back of the second row. It'll provide a whole bunch of outlets for me to use. So they're all gonna have aqua clear power filters and heaters. So I feel this is the best solution for running a bunch of power outlets versus running all of the wire to one location. The strip's just gonna provide better wire management. So I have the super power strip mounted on the rack. I put it on the 3rd shelf so I can have easy access to all of the plugs. I have 12 plugs here. For a split second, I thought about just being lazy and dumping it behind the 2nd shelf right here. Kind of out of sight, out of mind kind of deal. But I thought about it. It would be a pain for me to reach back there to kind of unplug and replug things. So I took the time to do this one right. So I took 2 zip ties to make a longer zip tie, and I just zip tied it up here. I think it's very beneficial for your racking system to have a super power strip like this, because it's just gonna provide better wire management. Now, I had other racks where I used a regular power strip and kind of expanded everything, and everything just kind of sat in the corner, like bunched up and messy. I wanted to avoid that for this rack. So moving down here on the bottom shelf, I have some of the Aqua Clear 70s already in place. I need to spend the rest of today to set up the other Aqua Clear 170s and the Aqua Clear 110s up top. So stay tuned for that. I'll give you another update next weekend when I can, but I'm just running out of time today. So here's everything. 240 gallons all in place. Hopefully we'll get some fish in by next weekend. So stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for subscribing and supporting, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.